Starting around the 3rd of June 2023, STEPN generally is exchanging at 27 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.43% in certainly most recent 60-minute. GMT sort of has an especially complete market cap of $229,911,936 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $20,290,380, which really is very critical. This in every way that really matters, makes STEPN in every practical sense, positioning at 133 in the digital currency market in an every practical sense, enormous way. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023. What will STEPN basically be somewhat worth in 2023 in a sort of large manner? Is STEPN a wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is very critical? Will GMT costs certainly outperform its unequaled high, which for the most part is very huge? These really are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future in a significant manner. STEPN value expectation 2023 as per the STEPN gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost truly is supposed to cross a fundamentally normal value level of 32 cents. The normal genuinely least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the especially current year ought to in a real sense be 31 cents, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, GMT can fundamentally arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of 36 cents in an unobtrusive manner. GMT value conjecture June 2023. The STEPN gauge for June 2023 expects that the GMT may in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest worth of 28 cents with a base cost of around 25 cents, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the by and large normal value, GMT can truly stretch around 27 cents for June, or so they basically thought. STEPN value expectation July 2023. The cost for STEPN in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 27 cents and 29 cents, showing that these for the most part are our STEPN cost forecasts for GMT's future, or so they explicitly thought, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around 28 cents. By and large, further appearance house and EPN value expectation 2023 as per the STEPN estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost especially is supposed to cross an essentially normal value level of 32 cents. The normal fundamentally least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to be 31 cents in a genuinely significant manner. STEPN value expectation August 2023. STEPN cost especially is supposed to truly reach between 28 cents to 31 cents in August 2023, while the essentially normal cost of GMT for the August certainly remains around 29 cents. STEPN value expectation September 2023. The cost for STEPN in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 32 cents, which explicitly is very critical, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around 30 cents. Fundamentally, in spite of mainstream thinking, STEPN value expectation October 2023. STEPN cost basically is supposed to basically reach between 29 cents to 33 cents in October 2023, while the in every practical sense normal cost of GMT for the October basically remains around 31 cents. STEPN value forecast November 2023. STEPN cost truly is supposed to truly reach between 30 cents to 34 cents in November 2023, while the sort of typical cost of GMT for the November explicitly remains around 32 cents. STEPN value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the really greatest cost for STEPN could generally stretch around 36 cents, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of GMT in December 2023 fundamentally is 31 cents with an extremely normal cost of 32 cents, which essentially is genuinely critical. STEPN especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The STEPN's cost especially has shown a great increment of 2.3% in the absolute most recent 24 hours, or so they thought. From especially most recent 7 days, the GMT certainly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.36% in a fundamentally large manner. STEPN truly has shown areas of strength for commonly potential recently, and this could be decent and open door to truly dive right in and contribute, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT for the most part diminished by 33.665%, taking out an incredible truly normal amount of 13 cents from its truly current worth, which truly is genuinely huge. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a very really great in every practical sense. Purchase a potential open door for a especially speedy venture, which truly is very huge. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 53.62%, and the cost certainly flowed from a very least exceptionally normal cost of 51 cents to genuinely greatest in every way that really matters. Normal cost of 59 cents in the in every way that really matters, recent days. So stepn most certainly has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential of late. And this could be a very great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, which explicitly is very huge. In essentially most recent 4 months, stepn in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Subsequently, we certainly imagine that comparable pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, showing how stepn pretty passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The stepn's cost really has shown a very decent increment of 2.3% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours in a truly significant manner. As per the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of stepn basically is expanded from 4 months, which explicitly is very huge. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, which generally is genuinely huge. The coin by and large is up by 3.70%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin especially was around 29 cents, and the especially least extremely normal cost of basically was around 28 cents, and exceptionally beyond 4 months. Kind of additional appearance how stepn value expectation August 2023. stepn cost certainly is supposed to truly reach between 28 cents to 31 cents in August 2023, while the genuinely normal cost of GMT for the August sort of stays around 29 cents. stepn value forecast September 2023. The cost for stepn in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 32 cents, or so they for the most part thought. stepn value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will sort of be stepn essentially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The GMT cost generally is determined to explicitly arrive at a most extreme degree of 36 cents, with really least cost of 31 cents toward the finish of 2023, which sort of shows that subsequently, we especially believe that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, showing how stepn pretty passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The stepn's cost in a real sense has shown a by and large great increment of 2.3% in the absolute most recent 24 hours, which certainly is very huge. Does stepn sort of have a future, or so they fundamentally thought? As far as value, stepn especially has a remarkable fundamentally potential to especially arrive at new levels. By and large further appearance how stepn value expectation October 2023. stepn cost explicitly is supposed to reach between 29 cents to 33 cents in October 2023, while the typical cost of GMT for the October basically remains around 31 cents. stepn value forecast November 2023.